be talking about Ellie Trunk, Elephant Man's son, where go on stage a few days ago and talked about his song that he released about his dad and how his dad is a sperm donor and all that. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this on stage interview and also his song that he released, please keep on watching. So Ellie Trunk actually had a song about his dad being a sperm donor. He called him a fag, he called him gay, he called him all sorts of names in this record. And Elephant Man actually had a voice note that came out and actually dissing his son out also and telling him that he don't want to get on his wrong side and all the other stuff. So Ellie Trunk was invited on stage to do he was invited on stage to do an interview with the famous Winford Williams. So he went on stage, did his interview, tried to clear some things up and all that. So here are my thoughts and opinions on this whole story. And I can see things from both the son perspective and I can also see things from the father's perspective. So Ellie Trunk dissing his dad, calling his dad a fag, gay, stuff like that. I don't condone. I don't care if your father was never there for you. I'm talking from personal experience. My biological dad has never been there for me, and I've never called my dad a fag or gay or anything like that. He just have never been financially, physically, emotionally, spiritually, none of the above present in my life. So I understand where Ellie Trunk is coming from in that aspect. So him calling his dad a fag and all that other stuff in his diss record, I do not agree with. I don't think he should have started his career off with a diss record about his dad, because his dad image can be skewed with this song. It can also cause him to lose jobs and lose money and all that. So him doing this record to his dad can tarnish also his dad's image and also his image, and I don't feel like that's a good way to start off your DJ or period. I don't feel like that's a good way at all. With that being said, I feel like this boy was hurt. He felt abandoned. He felt disowned. Not saying it was right for him to say the stuff that he said because he felt disowned, abandoned. But this boy is literally hurt. He's hurt that his dad was never present in his life, and a man of such influential stature that I know he looks up to, because he wants to do the same thing his dad is doing and be an entertainer. So someone of that caliber not being present in your life, not being there to guide you as far as your hopes and dreams and aspiration, and be there to push you and tell you to focus on this or do that and guide you in the right direction. I feel like he was just a hurt son trying to hurt his dad and make his dad feel the way that he has felt his whole life. And it's not right on either end, but I can understand where he's coming from. I can understand that he's hurt, and the reason why he did the song in the first place was because he was hurt by his dad and he felt disowned, abandoned, neglected and all that. And Elephant Man, as you guys know, have a lot of kids. I don't, 20 odd, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know. He has a lot of kids, and I feel like if you're gonna have a lot of kids, at least be there for them emotionally or financially. Be there in their life one way or the other. I don't care. Kids do not care about the materialistic stuff, the fancy stuff that you can buy them. Kids care about your presence. Kids care about you remembering their birthday, remembering what they want for Christmas, remembering their favorite color, paying attention to them, helping them doing homework. That stuff kids care about. And I feel like if you're gonna have a lot of kids and have them all over the world and you can't actually be there for them, I don't think you should have that much kids. Kids need attention. They need love. They need nurturing. You can't just fling your hood left, right, and center so and procreating and leaving it up to these mothers to raise these children, especially if they're boys. Women cannot raise boys' children. They can raise them, but they don't know how to make them be a man or teach them how to be a man. That's the dad's. That's the dad's part. And I know there's a lot of strong black women that say, I'm a mom, I raised my black boy good, he's a good person. But did you honestly teach him how to be a man? That's the issue that black women, single moms in general, always have a issue with. Because we're not a man, we don't carry a penis, so we can't actually talk from experience and talk to our boys like, yo, this, that, blah, blah, ray, tay, tay. We can't do that. We're not men. So, if he's going to have all these kids spread out all over the world that he don't take care of, I feel like he needs to man up and do something about it. Actually be there for his kids. And I'm not bashing him. I'm not saying he's not a good dad to the rest of his kids. I'm just saying that he did a poor job with Ellie Trunk and now he's kind of paying for it. And men in general get away, especially in Jamaican culture, they get away with not taking care of their kids because in our culture we have been taught that our men should be providers and that only. They should just provide for the family and that's it. But no, our men need to be involved in their children's life, emotionally, physically, financially, every aspect, because a child need both parents. They need both parents, and I can't stress that enough. A child need both parents. And Elephant Man, if he has that much kids that he's not taking care of, he needs to do better. Like, he really needs to do better. And he needs to set an example for the rest of these entertainers. Because I know a lot of people follow his footsteps and follow his life and stuff and think that it's okay to actually have kids spread out all over the world and don't take care of them. No, it don't go so. It don't go so, because now he's paying for it, and he's paying for it in a very public way because he didn't take care of his child, and now his child kind of resents him and actually don't like him, and it's tarnishing his image and is also tarnishing his money. Because this is how media world goes. This is how the entertainment world goes. It's all about image, persona, and all that. So, and as far as Ellie Chunk music is concerned, I feel like he got talent. He is a very talented. He reminds me of a like Bounty Killer mixed with a little bit of Vibes Cartel. That's how he comes off to me in his music, and I feel like if he has somebody there to really guide him and actually work with him and help, even like his dad needs to step the hell up and help his son because he haven't been there for him in his younger years. So the least you can do is guide him now that he's doing something that you know everything about. Give him guidance. The past is the past. He may have made a diss song and you may have sent a voice note, and you guys need to get reconnected and fix your issues. And don't let this happen in a very public way again, because it's not a good look on the son's part and it's not a good look on Elephant Man's part at all. It's not a good look. And I feel like if Elephant Man really want to try stop his shine and stop him internally in the entertainment business, I feel like he can. So Ellie Trunk needs to know what he's doing as far as dissing a legend, basically, like Elephant Man in the business. Like, he needs to know what he's doing, and that's his dad. And the Bible say, respect thy mother and thy father, that thy days may be long upon the earth. So regardless of if he wasn't there or not, Eddie Trunk need to put some respect on his dad's name, basically, and know that if his dad want to, like, stop him in this entertainment business, he can. But I feel like Elephant Man needs to also be the bigger person and be the dad in the situation and come and fix the issues and actually acknowledge his son, because there's no denying it. That boy is his son. Put up side by side picture of Elephant Man and Ellie Trunk, and they look exactly alike. Like, he got elephant's eyes, Elephant Man's nose, his mouth. They look exactly alike. So there's no denying that that's his son. So Elephant Man need to be the bigger person, check with his son, guide his son, actually be there for his kids. If he's not, don't know, and can't speak, I don't know anything about that, and actually help his son, because obviously he wasn't there for him, and now he's paying for it publicly, and it's not a good look. That's my thoughts and opinions. That's what I feel about this whole situation, this whole beef with Elephant Man and his son. That's all I have to say about this, basically. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuce!